Alright, this is a BGS PSA number Pokemon round, I think 16. We're gonna click it. Oh no. We're gonna click it 7 times. You want the PSA or BGS number to end in your number. Jeremy get the 1s, Cody gets the 0s. 7 times. Okay. Oh yeah. It's a fresh. Sexual abuse is the correct term? What did he do? What's his allegation? Box number 1. Hey, we got a black label. 2019 Strength Expansion Pack Dream League Pikachu CHR. Everything is 10s. Black label 10. 00132804009. Ends in a 9. Alan T. That one's yours, man. There you go. A black label 10. Pretty cool. Thanks, everybody.